Hi guys, so today I want to show you how to make a low-calorie wraps and has 43 grams of protein. So you need 100 grams of squid tube, 70 grams of chicken breast, 24 grams of lettuce, 6 grams chopped garlic, 2 teaspoons of chopped onions, but if you don't like onions, you don't need to, 1 teaspoon of chicken powder, 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce, half a teaspoon of salt, black pepper, and 100 grams of cooked rice and a seaweed. First, you need to chop chicken to small pieces. If you have chopped meat machine, it's fine. Put chopped garlic, chopped onions, a teaspoon of oyster sauce, a teaspoon of chicken powder, half a teaspoon of salt, and black pepper. Mix them together. And then add the mix into squid like you can see here. After that, put the pan on a medium heat, especially non-stick pan so you don't need oil, and cook them 3 to 4 minutes. After stirring, turn it into other side and each side wait 3 to 4 minutes again. Put 100 grams of cooked rice on the seaweed and spread in the end of the corner. Mashing the cooked chicken a bit. And put the squid and lettuce and start roll it. Now the protein wrap looks nice and thick. Enjoy your meal. If you like this video, please like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you. Bye.